at Sapphire Marine in Eden, Sapphire Coast of New South Wales. It's a perfect place for people who love fishing particularly, but as well as boating. I mean, there's big yachts, big boats, little boats. There's many types of different boats here.
You wake up every day and you look out the window and you're like, what can I do today?
Started as a mechanic's apprentice at a Volkswagen and Porsche place in Melbourne.
Couldn't make it as a male model?
No, couldn't make it as a male model, no. I started off just working on my own in one little shed, just doing boat and car repairs. And we've evolved into an absolute monster of a business which has just grown and grown and grown. And
we are a very close family business. We look after our staff, we look after our customers. We've got some great brands behind us and products, and we've got the knowledge to help you out with whatever you need. Boats are pretty much my thing. Whatever they are, whatever shape, size, whatever horsepower's on them, doesn't really bother me.
Being involved with McLay Boats is an absolute privilege. I think as far as aluminium plate boats industry throughout the world, not just in Australia or New Zealand, McLay Boats builds a very superior boat. Its safety standards are right up there with the best of them. They come standard as level flotation. The manufacturing and how they get put together, the quality of the aluminium they use is just second to none. They're built in a little town called Milton, and it's just south of Dunedin in South Island of New Zealand. And the other thing about McLay Boats is they can be made as a family boat, an open tinny, console, centre console, side console, the cuddy cabin, a hard top, a plush hard top, a big hard top, and it suits most people down to the ground of what they really want at the end of the day. They're an easy boat to drive. They can still be towed around on a trailer without going overboard and having big GVM trucks.
Manageable by themselves.
Manageable by themselves, and they can put it on and off the trailer on their own too. And a lot of them even go game fishing, totally and utterly on their own, and can handle a marlin inside the boat on their own. The boat is a real safe boat to be in. McLay's state that doesn't matter what happens, even if the boat does happen to have a big issue, it will still stay afloat.
These boats, you can really push them and push them hard if you have to. I mean, they're a comfortable boat, but if you get caught in shit, you can get home safe.
Honda make a really good product, reliability, fuel economy.
7 years warranty and 3 years commercial. It's a massive thing to get people over the line.
The company themselves is first class to deal with.
You ring them up and the problem gets fixed. I've been doing Garmin for as long as we've been doing Honda. With all the Enemy A2000, the Garmin stuff links in with the Honda stuff really well. The possibilities are endless, whether you have a small compact screen or go to the multifunction displays. Charts are unbelievable. It's just easy to use.
Get him, yeah! He's a fucking donkey!
Plug a 1 kilowatt straight into a head unit and off you go.
Righto, ever since we started bringing boats in, we got involved with trans-style trailers in a roundabout way. The rubber torsion bar suspension and 15 years warranty, and I think that says a lot about anything that's manufactured nowadays. And the trailer frame having a lifetime warranty, tough as nails, and always drive on them perfect. Come home in 25 knots of wind, you know you're going to stuff it all up when the front of the boat hits the trailer, and the boat will just go straight up without any problems.
We're not only servicing the town, we usually service the up and down the coast as well. So we've got customers up around Jindabyne, Batemans Bay, Narooma.
Malakuta.
We don't try to keep ourselves in the one community. I mean, if people are willing to travel, that says a lot for us. Customer service is everything to us.
We can pretty much do everything on a car or a boat that of any customer's needs, right from pink slip, blue slip, gas inspections, Victorian roadworthies, your normal run-of-the-mill service, book service work, warranty book service work, and the same with any other outboard motor as well. We can still do that. Behind us here, we have a lot of tooling, which is for gearboxes and engines in particular, of all makes and models. A lot of the stuff that you might need in a hurry or whatever when you're doing a job, rather than waiting 3 or 4 days or even weeks to try and get the tools, we quite often make them to do the job specifically, and then we keep them there forever. Made everything from gearbox pullers to wrenches done to funny nuts and stuff like that from start to finish. We've got tools here to put bellows into Merc cruisers that nobody else has ever thought about.
It's almost a one-stop shop for whatever you need, really.